Rich Dad, Poor Dad is written in the form of a parable, featuring the author and his two fathers, his biological father, whom Kiyosaki refers to as his poor dad, and the father of his best friend, whom Kiyosaki refers to as his rich dad. The poor dad is highly educated but financially unsuccessful, while the rich dad is less formally educated but financially successful. Some key lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad include: Number 1. The importance of financial literacy. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of understanding money and investing, and encourages readers to continually learn and educate themselves on these topics. Number 2. The value of acquiring assets. Kiyosaki argues that building a portfolio of assets, such as rental properties and businesses, is key to achieving financial success. These assets can generate passive income, which can provide financial security and independence. Number 3. The dangers of relying on traditional employment. Kiyosaki advises against relying too heavily on a traditional job as a source of income, as it can be unstable and does not necessarily lead to wealth. Instead, he advocates for building multiple streams of income through assets. Number 4. The importance of taking risks. Kiyosaki encourages readers to be willing to take calculated risks in pursuit of financial success. This can involve starting a business, investing in real estate, or pursuing other opportunities that have the potential to generate wealth. Number 5. The importance of mindset. Kiyosaki emphasizes the role that mindset plays in achieving financial success. He advises readers to cultivate a growth mindset and to be open to learning and adapting in order to achieve their financial goals. Overall, the message of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is that financial success is not necessarily determined by one's level of education or income, but rather by one's financial literacy and ability to build and manage a diverse portfolio of assets.
If you want to see our videos before everyone else, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.